Start somewhere safe. A right angle at C. Put a real square on every side. These aren't symbols, they're areas. Pythagoras says the two small ones account for the big one exactly. So let's stack them and check. Here's a fixed square whose area is a squared plus b squared. And here's the c squared dropped straight on top of it. Perfect fit. Nothing left over, nothing missing. Now the important move. I'm going to put angle C on a hinge, but I'm not changing the two sides. A stays 1.6. B stays 2. Watch what stays still. The amber square never changes size. The blue square never changes size. They swing around, but their areas are frozen. Only the teal square breathes. Squeeze the angle shut and the C square shrinks. Look at the panel. It's now sitting inside the fixed square. It falls short by about 4.9. Back through 90 degrees. Perfect fit again. And now open it out. The C square overflows. It spills past the fixed square by exactly the same 4.9. Same two sides. Same two small squares. One angle, and the big square is doing something completely different. So the whole law is one question. How big is that gap? The answer is 2 of cos C. Here's why that's the right shape. Put C on a unit circle. Cosine is just the horizontal shadow of the angle. Below 90 degrees, the shadow points right. Cosine is positive, so we subtract, and c squared comes out smaller. At exactly 90, the shadow is nothing. Cosine is 0. The correction disappears. Past 90, the shadow flips to the left. Cosine is negative, and subtracting a negative adds, so c squared comes out bigger. One term, doing all three jobs. And it isn't a guess. Drop the triangle onto coordinates. Park C at the origin, and lay side B flat along the axis, so A sits at B, 0. Then B is just a step of length at angle C, so its coordinates are a cosine C and a sine C. Now C is only the distance between those 2 points. Square it out. Cosine squared plus sine squared is 1. That whole bracket collapses. And what's left is the law. One last thing worth noticing. Set C to 90 degrees. Cosine of 90 is 0. The correction term switches off and drops away. Pythagoras isn't a different theorem. It's this one, with the angle set to square. Pythagoras, with a correction for the angle.